All right, so we're going to get right into it. This is Module 10. And if you keep track, we got like far less than half of the modules remaining in the class. This is going to be another one of those one-day modules because it's relatively specific information, but it is information that I hope you'll build into the rest of your programs moving forward. And it's certainly stuff that you need to know. So it's not that it's unimportant. It's just that the scope of what I'm going to show you today is pretty specific, pretty narrow, and hopefully it'll click with you pretty quick. It is a familiar structure, or it should be after branching control structures. But in this case, we are learning how to make our programs more error-proof. And in fact, there is an assignment that goes with this module, but it's going to be a recycle, I guess you could call it, of a previous assignment that you've probably already done. If you haven't previously done the assignment, then the good news is you can, if you do it in such a way that satisfies both of these, you can just turn it into the same code for both. But either way, it shouldn't be a huge amount of additional work because I'm not asking you to develop something from scratch. I'm asking you to go back and fix something or change something that you've already done.